Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Love blooms like a rose in the heart. You are my sunshine and my sunflower. Love is the fragrance of the soul. Like flowers, love needs care to grow. Every flower is a love story waiting to bloom. You make my heart blossom. Love is the seed. Kindness is the water. Our love grows like a wildflower. You are the rose in my garden of life. Flowers whisper the language of love. You're the wildflower in my heart. A heart in love is a garden in bloom. Your love is my favorite bouquet. Flowers fade, but love remains. Love is the sweetest fragrance. Together, we make a beautiful bouquet. You are my garden of happiness. Love, like flowers, brings joy. The rose of my heart blooms for you. Bloom with love, grow with kindness. A flower's beauty is love's reflection. Every petal tells a love story. You are the sunflower to my soul. Love is a garden where hearts bloom. I'd pick you over and over. Your love is my forever bouquet. A flower's love never fades. Bloom where love is planted. Love is a wildflower in the heart. You make my love garden complete. Love is the sunshine of the soul. Like flowers, true love never fades. With love, every flower shines brighter. You are the most beautiful bloom.